Another dua we can make, allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahla. That, oh Allah, there is no ease at all except for what you make easy. Yani there is no ease except for the ease that you make, except for the ease that you create, except for the ease that you grant. And you are able to make hazan, yani difficulty or grief, into ease whenever that you want. You can convert this difficulty into ease whenever you want, Ya Rabb. So, Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla. And sahl is used for soft, smooth, leveled ground. Hazan is used for rugged, hard ground. Okay? So when you have to pass through, walk through ground that is rugged, that is difficult to walk on, you get exhausted. Maybe you get hurt. Maybe you sprain your foot. Right? It's difficult. It takes you so long to cross a short distance. And sahl, any ground that is smooth, that is level, that is open, easy to traverse, and it's so easy. You get so much done so quickly. So, la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla. Nothing is easy to traverse except what you make easy. And you can make hazan, rugged, hard ground, right? Difficult passage, easy whenever you want. So you are basically surrendering your matter to Allah. You are putting your trust in Allah. That, Ya Allah, what I am finding difficult, whether it is an act of worship, or it is giving people their haqq, or it is, some bad habit that I want to get rid of, or it is that I made a promise and I'm not able to fulfill it. Any kind of difficulty, whether it is financial, or it is in your marriage, or it is in your children, or it is in your employment, in your business. It could be small, like for example, you're driving and you're stuck in traffic. It could be big, like for example, you have to take a major exam. Or it's hazan, it's grief, it's sadness that you're not able to even disclose to the people. You're not able to share the feelings in your heart with the people. Whatever it is, Allah is able to make it easy, because all matters are in the hand of Allah. So, Allahumma la sahla illa ma ja'altahu sahla wa anta taj'alul hazna idha shi'ta sahla. Repeat this over and over again. It's an affirmation also.